H2K Infosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2K Infosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2K Infosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
Using Excel for test data instead of TCD, test case document, is a common practice, especially for smaller scale projects or when TCDs are not being used extensively. Here's a simple guide to utilizing Excel for test data. Create a spreadsheet, open Excel and create a new spreadsheet. You can organize it in any way that suits your testing needs. Typically, the first row can be used as headers for different data fields, and subsequent rows can contain test data. Define columns, identify the different parameters or attributes of your test data and create columns for each of them. For example, if you're testing a login functionality, you might have columns for username, password, expected result, etc. Input test data, populate the rows below the headers with the specific test data you want to use. Make sure to cover various scenarios and edge cases to ensure thorough testing. Add expected results. In addition to input data, include columns for expected results. This could be the expected outcome or behavior based on the input data provided. It helps in validating the functionality during testing. Save and share. Save the Excel file in a location accessible to your testing team. You can share it via email, a shared network folder, or any collaboration platform your team uses. Execute tests. Testers can refer to the Excel spreadsheet to execute their test cases. They input the test data into the system on the test and compare the actual results with the expected results listed in the spreadsheet. Update as needed. As testing progresses, you may need to update the test data or add new test cases. Make sure to keep the Excel spreadsheet updated accordingly. Version control. If multiple testers are working on the same Excel file simultaneously, it's essential to establish version control to prevent conflicts. You can use file naming conventions or version control systems like Git. Analyze results. After executing tests, record the actual results in the spreadsheet. Analyze any discrepancies between expected and actual results to identify bugs or areas for improvement. Review and iterate. Periodically review the test data in the Excel spreadsheet to ensure it remains relevant and comprehensive. Update it as needed based on changes in requirements or system functionality. By following these steps, you can effectively use Excel for test data management and streamline your testing process. However, for larger and more complex projects, you may consider using dedicated test management tools that offer more advanced features for organizing and executing test cases.